Hey Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Have you ever found yourself needing to gather contact information for multiple students in a class period? Well, let's look at a district report that allows you to do just that. Let's take a look at the district report for student contact. Here from your Focus Portal page, we're going to look for our district reports. Navigate to the Reports menu, and then select District Reports. Once this page loads, you'll see the report for address, contacts, and phone. Go ahead and select that district report. Now you can see the Student Contact Teacher Report. Go to the far right corner and click the green Run button. Once you've selected this, the new pop-up will display where you need to select the period for which you are looking for information. For this example, I'm going to search for my third period class. I'll type in my period number and then click Run again. Next, you can see that my contact for each student in that class roster will appear. Anything that's been entered into Focus for those students will appear here on this Student Contact Teacher Report. You can see the student ID, the student name, the relation for the contact and the contact name, as well as the contact type and phone or email that's been entered into Focus. If you'd like, you may also come to the menus at the top and choose to select to turn the filter on. Now you'll see these blanks appear where you can filter on the different columns, and you can also click the next button to advance to the next page of the report. If you'd like to print, go ahead and click the print icon, and you'll see a nice, neat format for each student appear. Go ahead and print this sheet, and now you have all of your contacts saved for your entire roster, quick and easy instead of searching individually per student. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.